if you want to remove SIM card from Samsung Galaxy A56 5G, then you need to prepare the SIM eject tool. I have mine over here. You can find yours inside the box. And over here at the bottom, of course, we have the SIM tray on this side here. We have this little hole, and we need to insert the eject tool into that hole. And then we need to push it with a little bit of force so that the SIM tray comes out a little bit. And now we can use fingernails or our fingers in order to remove the SIM tray. There we go. With the SIM tray removed, now we should be able to easily remove the SIM card. You can try to push from one side or the other if it doesn't want to go out. So you can just gently push it with your finger from one side. Try to not bend it too much or anything. You don't want to use too much force because you don't want to damage the SIM tray. Once you remove your SIM cards, you want to insert the SIM tray back to its place. So use your finger and push it in with your finger fully. Make sure that it is fully in. And that is all. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.